With blue South Florida skies, lush tree-lined streets, winding waterways, wonderful parks, and beautiful homes set amidst an extraordinary setting, Coral Gables merits the name the City Beautiful. You're just minutes from Miracle Mile, Merrick Park, and South Miami, with a plethora of wonderful restaurants, shops, galleries, great schools, and exciting events that make it such a wonderful place to call home. 1216 Andora is a classic Gables beauty with a decorative wall and inviting front porch. An entry foyer opens to the elegant formal living room with abundant natural light through 2 sets of French doors, a wood-burning fireplace, built-in storage, and crown moldings. New bamboo floors flow throughout and lead to the spacious formal dining room where you can enjoy good food and good company. The granite kitchen has a great layout with a convenient breakfast bar, subway tile backsplash, abundant storage, and access to the 2-car garage. Relax and unwind in the family room, featuring picturesque views of the lush backyard, wood beam ceilings, and a wall of built-ins providing exceptional storage. The traditional floor plan includes approximately 2,200 adjusted square feet, including 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The master bedroom is lovely, with his and her custom closets and adjoining full bath with glass shower. Private and abundant, the fenced backyard has a nice patio and mature trees, including mango, avocado, and banana palm. The lot spans 10,000 square feet, with plenty of room for a pool or expansion on one of the most desirable streets in South Gables. The opportunity for a great home and exceptional investment in a premium neighborhood is yours. For additional information, please contact BrigidPrio.